Yo, it's your boy DC the Truth, y'all. I don't know if I have time for shorts. I looked all over YouTube. There's guys on here that says, if you're gonna use speed wire, we already know why we're here. I'm just gonna show you how to wire the actual other end of the speed wire to the amp. The reason I'm doing this because there's a lot of shorts on YouTube tells you, okay, we see the other end of the harness. I guess you'd say common sense to tell me, how you should wire it to the amplifier. But I don't know. This is just complete beginner. I had to do some research. So let's get into it. So I don't like the way this amp is set up that I'm using in demonstration. I'm going to put this into a '01 Camry. Just replace the factory amp, make the speaker sound just a little bit better. So I wish channel 1 was over here to the left. So let's just treat this like these going to be our front left speakers and front right speakers. I guess it don't even matter what channel we use. They just gonna be on channel 1. I want them to go in order. So these gonna be our front left. These are gonna be our front right. The ones down here is gonna be our left rear, and these is gonna be our right rear speakers. So my front left speakers are gonna be the white, and so you're gonna have a white, solid white, which would be the positive, right? And then the white with the black stripe would be our negative. So let's say if I want these in my, I should have cut the whole thing. Oh, I'm sorry about that. So it's going to look like this for demonstration purpose. I'm going to use the channel 2 on my amp. Y'all amps might be set up a little different, but coming from the speed wire, these are going to be my left front speakers. The ones over here be my right front speakers, so on. So let me just give you the wire colors based off what I pulled off online. I'll leave the link in the description of the wiring schematics so you guys can have it as well. It won't be lost like me. So I'm gonna go through it one more time real quick, right? The white's gonna be my left front. Gray's gonna be my right front. Purple is gonna be my right rear. And I believe green, yes, green is gonna be my left rear. So this is how you would wire your speed wire to your amplifier. And of course, when you do this, you're only gonna have one wire left. That's your remote wire. And of course, it's gonna go over here where it says remotes, because your other end in the harness. There's plenty. There's 2 other YouTube shorts when you type in how to wire a speed wire to an amplifier. They already got it like tapped in the front with T connectors from the stereo harness. Yeah. All right. I just want to put this video out there. All right. It's your boy DC Truth. I'm out this thing, y'all. For real.